I call this oil the super oil just because it has so many amazing benefits that can benefit our hair and our skin. Well, if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, this is the perfect time. Go ahead and hit on that subscribe button and let's get this video started. Okay guys, let's dive right into it. We are going to need a pineapple. I am using a whole pineapple. We're gonna need some carrots. I'm using 2 carrots. I will be using 2 mangoes. This is like a medium-sized mango. And the last is some papaya. I am using half of the papaya today. So you just go ahead and peel all your fruits and cut them up.
Keep the sky on your mind.
So the fruits are all cut up. I'm going to transfer this into a blender and I am going to blend this. It's not a creamy consistency that we are looking for. You are looking to get all of them blended, just crush pretty much, not creamy consistency.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and hope.
The carrier oil I'm using today is extra virgin olive oil. You can use the carrier oil of your choice. I am using about 2 cups of olive oil for this quantity that I am making today. The next thing you need to do is just transfer this thing into the stove, and we are going to cook this in medium heat. You do not want to put the heat too high because you don't want to burn your fruits and your oil. So you want to cook this on low heat and just have patience and let it cook until it completely dries, until you can see that the oil have completely separated from your fruits. Once you see that your oil has completely dried, that the water content has completely diminished, then it is ready to be drained. But before you drain it, you want to let that oil cool down. And then you can use your cheesecloth, your whatever stocking cap, whatever you have, and just drain this out. And in this process, I try not to press the oil too hard because I don't want any liquid, any extra liquid that is left over drain into my oil. Guys, I really hope you got a chance to read through all the benefits of each one of the ingredients that I used today and how powerful and amazing this oil is for your hair and for your skin. You just go ahead and give it a try. You will see wonders with this oil. You can use this on your lotions. Just add it to your existing lotions or cream for your skin. Mix it well and use it. If you want to use this for your hair, you can use this directly on your hair or on your scalp to moisturize, to do your pre-pools or your deep conditioning, anything you want to do with it. Just go ahead and try it and you will see wonders with this oil. I add vitamin E in my oil just to preserve it, and that is all that it needs. So go ahead and hit on that subscribe button if you have not done so yet, and give this video a thumbs up if you appreciate it, and I really appreciate it if you will share with your friends and family as well. So I do invite you to go ahead and prepare this oil for yourself and enjoy all the amazing benefit that it has to offer for your skin and for your hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.